Hey guys, this is Future Trading with Mike. Welcome back to the channel. I am trading the Emini S&P 500 this morning. We are positioned around the VPOC right now, and I'm looking to see what this thing is trying to do. Moving sideways here at the point of control. It is Monday, November the 8th, roughly about 9:50, and I'm just getting started trading or looking at the S&P 500 futures, guys. So let's see. Um, So the market's kind of moving sideways in a wedge here, but um, let me see. Market pull back here, rejected. So, uh, huh. Yeah, I'm trying to see what the market's doing here. I was thinking, looking at the market probably come back up to around 90, excuse me, 4704 area. It came back to 4703 so far, but uh, I was expecting it to come back a little, pull back a little, pull back a little bit more up into this area here. So this is what I'm looking for. But it hasn't pulled back there yet. Okay, so we're going to hold off before I do any trading, and just kind of wait to see what happens if the market's going to pull back a little bit more, and then I'll, you know, um, look for maybe an entry up here. Right now, the market is. Let's see what happens. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone who's following the channel. Thanks to the individuals that have subscribed to the channel already, and appreciate the likes on the videos. If you don't mind, continue doing so. The content is it's good, valuable, informational content, and I think I receive emails. Everyone thanking me for the posting the content, the videos. A lot of people have told me that the videos have helped them out. I am so glad that they have. I hope they continue to help you. Um, I just want to serve a purpose of just posting my recordings, my live trade session recordings to uh, the channel here so that maybe they benefit someone. And that's just what I want to do. Give back in some kind of way or another to someone that maybe have the same passion or vision or want to trade. Um, so, all right, let's see what happens here. Markets around the point of control right now. So, yeah. Okay. So yeah, Friday was just was a good trading day. Um, not entirely too much activity, but you could have taken a short up here, guys. And I think there may have been a long entry down here at let's see what we got. Give me a second here. Uh, yeah, there was an area of you have some support down here, so area of demand sitting here. Okay, let me see if the market up. Nope, not yet. The market is okay. Yeah, this is not a market close below this. 6.9. Yeah, got me going short, guys. I'm late on the trade though. A little late. Well, let's see. Market's ranging. Um, so let's see what happens here. Market's pulling back on me a little bit. That's fine. I'm looking to take the trade on down to keep hitting these lows down here. But take the trade on down to I want to see it come on down to around the 94.5 area. So we'll see what happens. 99.25. Did it break? Let's see. Yeah. So hopefully we should get some fall through here to the downside. And Yeah, I'm looking for 90. Let's see, 95.50. We'll do something like that. Um, yeah, you see the market just ranging right here. That's all it's doing. It's actually kind of driving me crazy a little bit. Hmm. Let's see what happens. But yeah, hope everyone had a great weekend, guys. If you can learn a trade, I mean, primarily, picking up a good, learning a good strategy. Like, I do pullback trades at areas of support or resistance, demand or supply areas, and I take my trades from just primarily levels, guys. That's all I do. I look for levels in the markets that make sense to me for to take a trade from. Um, like this was an area of, supply sitting up here, and um, pretty much price pulled back to this area. Uh, could have pulled back a little higher here, but that's fine. But like I mentioned, this was a short right here, so from the 5th of which was Friday. So all right, let's see if we can get this market to come on down. Okay, all right, should come on down. Mm, yeah, we just got filled in the first contract, right? So we're waiting for price to come on down and hit that second contract, and hopefully fill us right. All right. Okay, got filled in the second contract. All right, so that trade is done. All right, so let's look at our performance for today, the trade performance, I call it. Um, Today's the 8th. All right, almost approaching Turkey Day, huh? Turkey Day is in a few more weeks. So let's see. So far I've got 14 ticks, okay? First trade, 14 ticks. Price probably will come on down to, I'm expecting it to come on down to probably around the 94 area. Where we at now? 95, so yeah, price can come lower. We'll go ahead and, come on. All right, price can come lower. We'll go ahead and grab another point out of this market right quick. The price can pull back up here though, before going lower, but let's see. Okay, we should push on down now. Should push on down. Come on. Pulling back, huh? Okay. So we at 75, 94, 75 area. 94.50, 94.25. Okay. Should get a little push down. Price could pull back up to this area here though. But come on. Hmm. All right, pulling back, right? Don't think she's done though. I do not think it's done. 94.50. Okay, pulling back. All right. Price wanted to pull back to the PLC, right? All right. Yeah, I was expecting it to come a little lower here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want that to happen. Okay. I am going to, okay. Price should come down here and test this area here and push lower. I should have waited for the pullback and then went short again, but it's okay. Tell you what I do. Okay, there we go. Come on down. Push through. Okay, it's hitting this little high volume area right here. Should get filled there. Okay, come on down. Okay. And we'll just do this right here to get filled. Price is going to bounce off 95, so maybe I should put my contract right here. Okay. Come on down. 95 and a quarter again. Hit that. Come on. It's pulling back in it. Bouncing off this area here, this low right here. Okay. So should get filled here. Okay, we just got filled on that trade there. Like I said, I take the trade on the pullback, guys. You guys see me take aggressive trades. I took it, and I should have waited on the pullback, and I would have got more for my money there. So let's see what happens here. Price is kind of at an area. It should come on down. I'm gonna be honest with you. See it? I'm thinking it should come on. It should come on down to 94, at least 94 and a half area, somewhere right here. Watch it. Let's see. Maybe it will. It shouldn't. Just looking at price action, but I'm up 26 ticks right now. All right, price is bouncing right here. We have a little low right here. So now this is where price could. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. I'll show you how we can take a little short scalp. I mean, a little long scalp right here. Okay. This is a little long scalp to the upside. Trade a micro swing. An area of demand. Saw it come back. Boom. So we got a little demand area here. Trading a micro swing. Okay. So I'm trading. That was a micro swing trade there. So I'm up 32 ticks now. Okay. All right.
Monday was
okay. So let's see. All right, so price come down to 95. Thought it may push a little lower, but we kind of come into this area right here. There's a swing right here. Price pushed up, pull back, and boom, swing. So we've got an area of demand sitting right here. So be careful. All right, so what's the market trying to do now? Let's see. I want to see it come back and pull back up to this area here. Well, let's take a look at something. Hold on one second. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we could actually come back to the highs up here and maybe see some rejection. I mean, price could come back. Price could pull back here, and we could see some rejection right here. So, but we're in a wedge right now, guys. You gotta be mindful of the wedge that we're in, because it's not wanting to make any higher highs or higher lows. So we're kind of just moving within this leg right here. Okay, so be careful when you see stuff like that. All right. See, boom, there it comes. I knew it would come down to 94, that 94 area. I was waiting on that, and it did. All right, so now we're in this area of demand here, okay? Price can push on down, test this high volume area right here. That's a big probability. I'm not saying it will, but it could, because like I told you guys, price like to travel from a high volume area down to a low volume. I mean, excuse me, through a low volume area, which is right here, to a high volume area. This right here was just a little stopping point right here. But it sees a big area of volume sitting right here. So why doesn't it, if you got to think, why wouldn't it want to come down there and test that area? So it may come down there and test this area before it turns around. All right. So let's see what happens. All right. I got a question like someone asked, um, they asked me what was the most difficult part of learning how to trade. Um, to be honest with you, the most difficult part to me was the discipline, uh, the psychology piece. Becoming disciplined, having patience. If you don't have patience, then you're going to struggle. If you don't have self-discipline, then you're going to struggle. They kind of go hand in hand. So you have to wait patiently, when trading. And you just can't this, like I said before, this is not a red light, green light game, and you gotta be patient. If it don't make sense and you don't see the setup, don't take it, right? All right, so prices, okay. Let's see. Okay. This is kind of crazy here because price is wicking at the bottom right here, grabbing an area of, okay, so I'm not sure what price is trying to do here. Not sure. Um, hmm. Yeah, so we'll wait here patiently and see what price is trying to do. But yeah, that was probably the difficult part, most difficult part for me learning to trade, outside of just the normal things that you need to know, which is understanding fundamentals and the technical side of trading. But those are things you actually learn, as far as like spending time doing, just like anything else in life, learning how to do something. But the psychology piece and patience piece and self-discipline, that's the piece that's going to get you. You have to master that and master your own psyche. I'm telling you, because when it's different than going to work for somebody and working hourly or having a salary job, and you're going to get paid as long as you do your job and perform. Same thing here. You got to perform here, but the difference is here is you're trading with your money. This money that you have that goes towards your livelihood, providing for your family, and that piece there will mess you up if you get into and don't know how to trade correctly, and you start jumping in trades and not waiting patiently for a setup. You will lose your money, and it will mess you up in your mind. It'll push you to where you don't want to do it no more. You lose the taste for it. The passion's gone. So I think everybody struggles with that starting out. Everybody does. Trust me. Um, I don't care how good you are, how experienced you are. Everybody has lost money in this game at some point or another from the beginning, or taking stupid trades and probably got themselves in a position where you want to quit. But there's a little part on the inside of you if you definitely have drive and ambition that's going to push you to not want to quit. And that was for me. That's what happened with me. I have so much drive that you know, when I know for sure that somebody else can do it, I can do it. I've always told myself that, man, if somebody else can do it, then I know I can do it. I don't care who you are. Nobody's greater than anyone else. I mean, some people may be smarter, but that doesn't mean it may take you a little longer to get there. But some people may learn quicker, but that doesn't mean someone who learns a little slower may not get there. So just that was the piece of my mind that I knew that I could do this. It's just a matter of me, having the discipline to do it, and that was the key for me. That was the key, guys. So let's see what this bad boy's trying to do. Okay, so mm, um, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. Price come back down in this area for to do anything. It's be trading a little area of demand. We have demand in this area here in the higher time frame, and you can see. Let's see. Oh man, not sure. Price hasn't shown its the market hasn't shown its hand yet to me, so I will wait patiently. Yep, I will wait patiently. Okay, I'm long. Come on, baby, take it out. All right, little quick little scalp right there. You know, I saw price projecting here, breaking higher, breaking through this swing to the upside, taking on a pullback. So price is going to probably test back up to this area here, or to the VPOC. Probably more likely, but it's definitely back up to the high right here. So a small little high, and yeah, we'll see what happens here. Okay, yeah, price is not quite ready yet, so I'm just waiting patiently, guys. Hmm, yeah, huh. 98 and 3/4. Let's see. Okay, not sure. 703. Um, man, let's see. Okay, price broke lower here. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Let's wait and see what happens. Price never came back and tested this area up right up here. Um, so when price pulled back here, it broke lower or rejected this area, came down and broke through this swing here, but it has not come back and tested this area here. So I'm not sure what it's really trying to do right here. So I'm just gonna wait it out here. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Um, I made I guess in the last two videos, I stated it in the videos that I would like the channel, see if we can get the channel to 1,200 subscribers or 1,200 subs, and I would do a free one-on-one with someone, give somebody the opportunity to win a free one-on-one, not just one session, but it'd probably be a couple sessions to where, you can pretty much question and answer type sessions. We can show some things on the charts, answer any questions you may have. Just kind of get somebody in the right direction, put somebody in the right direction to trading, and um, because time is valuable, and I don't have too much time in my personal life, but um, that's why I post these recordings, hoping that they will help someone out. But I know there's probably a few individuals or many individuals that would like to possibly do a one-on-one. So, but if you guys can help me, I'll help you. That's the thing about it. It's just like I'm already helping by doing these videos. So if you can help the channel to get the 1,200 subs, and simply all you need to do is just share the content or share the channel with other individuals on your social media platforms. Maybe just kind of pass it along, share the information that may inspire someone else that may want to start trading, or someone that may have dreamed about starting to do this, and maybe it'll put them in gear to want to do it. But I need you guys to help me grow the channel. I can't do it myself. I can only post the content, and you know it's going to take you guys to really make this happen for me. Crap. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Going long. I'm pretty sure. I'm looking for price to come back and test this area here around 74. So where did I get in at? Okay. Price could pull back. Price broke this area here. Okay, so now we should come up now. I'll test 72. Okay, we should definitely push up now and test this area here at 70. Okay. So my next contract will be right here. Price could pull back though before pushing higher. We took this area here out. Okay. So we could pull back and yeah, let me see. 60. Yeah, we could actually pull back here to 60, 46.98. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put a profit. I'm gonna put a contract there just to kind of close the gap if price pulls back. And but I'm pretty sure we can test this area here at 46.98, and then push higher. So um, we're trading around the VPOC. You guys know what happens when we trade there. So you can move sideways and just kind of seesaw around there, or he haul around there, just kind of pulling back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But price bounced out of this area right here. Ooh, yeah, which is sweet, but let's see. Man, we could actually pull back lower than that. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Price bounce here. Yeah, price could come back on down to 96. So I'm being aggressive. I'm taking trades more so at the tops here, buying the top ends here. You see right above the high volume here. Don't do that. Okay, but I see price breaking here, so I'm looking for price to come up here and push up to 47.03, but price could pull back against me in doing so. So, yep. Yeah, yep. All right. Be careful here. Yeah. Price is going to pull back before she wants to push higher. I promise you that. So what I'm going to do is take this contract here out. And let's see, 4,700 is 2. Ooh, I could take some heat on here on this trade here, because price could pull back, guys. But I'm dead on that it's going to go higher. It's just going to pull back before it wants to do that. And you got to understand what's going on here. The market's pulling back to a demand area. All right, right here. Price is rejecting that area. Let's see, price closed higher here. Okay, 98. Wasn't much room there. Breaking this. Price is going to test this high right here at some point, right here at 47.02 and 3/4, and then pull up to. It should test this area right here around 47.03 and a half, maybe a little higher up. Okay. Now price comes back to this area here, guys. This could be a nice sell. Maybe we have to wait for price to get there to see though, but price comes back to this area. Okay. It's not hit our profit target yet. The first one. Should take this area here out though. Should take this area here out, this swing out. Should go ahead and push through it. But like I said, it could pull back first before doing so. So I may be in this trade for a little bit. We'll see what happens. Come on, hit the profit target. You see it hit it to the tick, hit it right to the tick, didn't it? Right? And pull it off of it. Okay. Come on, push up. Look at it pulling back. Man. Come on. Gracious. What are you doing? Let's see. Take that area out. Not sure why it's not wanting to push up. Yep, guys, we're gonna wait it out here. Going to camp out. So, but yeah, that's as I was saying earlier, my most difficult part to learning how to trade was myself, being patient and having the self-discipline, guys. That is the key. See, look at price pulling back. Hit my profit target, pull back. But I mean, let me know you guys in the comment section, or you can let me know by email. But in the comment section, more so, just let me know what was the most difficult part to your trading. What if you're a beginner? What do you find is you're struggling with? Okay, we hit that first TP. And if you're more of an experienced level or intermediate trader, what was the most difficult time to learn and trade yourself? What did you find was the hardest part? I want to hear other people's stories because it's important that other people hear and know. Maybe you can share something in the comment section with other individuals that maybe follow the channel to kind of help them out. To me, like I said, it was just the self-discipline, the patience, waiting for the setup, and sticking to a plan. That probably was like number 2 for me, was sticking to a plan. Whatever your trading plan is, stick to it. Follow it. Make it so whatever self-help guide you have, and you got steps listed in there, follow it like a ritual. I'm not saying to have rituals, but I'm just saying to follow that plan, guys. Please, 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 please follow it. Follow it. Okay, price is going to pull back, man. It's going to pull back. To me, it looks like before it wants to push higher. So, uh, um, yeah, it's going to want to pull back. So, I am going to at this point. Let's see here. Okay. I am not going to let price come back against me. Here, I'm pretty confident it wants to push up, but it can pull back. It's pulled back to this area right here, which is great. So I don't know. I'm struggling with should I go ahead and take my profit target or let price ride out. I just know it's going to push higher, but I just don't want to. I'm going to go ahead and close out here. Come on, there we go. All right, so I went ahead and got filled there. That was like 2 points on each. I think about on each contract there. I'm pretty sure price is going to come here and check this area up in here. Like I said, 4704 area. But it could pull back first. So that's the okay. So price is pushing a little lower. I mentioned it can probably come down here to 96, this area right here. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens. Um, Let me see something, guys. Let's see. Yeah, price is in this area. Wait to see what price is rejecting this area right here. So I mentioned price coming back down to this area. So we are it's back in this area of demand here. Okay. Uh, Price broke up, pull back. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, it could push higher. I mean, excuse me, it could push lower. So we'll wait, see what happens. Okay, it's trying to push lower. Hmm. Okay, it's pushing lower, right? Hmm. All right, let's see. Trying to push lower. So the trade that I took right here, basically what you had going on here was price pushing down, pulling back, pulling down to area demand here, but it made a low right here, this red candle here, and then price kind of pushed lower, wicked out, pull back, push lower, wicked out. So price was basically wicking out below the little low right here, the prior low, okay? It didn't close to the downside, um, making a lower low. It was making these wick candles here if you look at the 12 range chart. And when price broke above this candle right here, this red candle, I went long knowing that it would test the high right here, okay? So that's what I played off of on that last trade I took. So, but it left an area to kind of the fill right here where price uh, pulled back in this, pulled back right here and pushed lower and then pull back. It didn't come back and test this area right here. So price could possibly reject somewhere and then come on up here and test this area here at 47.04. So that possibly could happen. Okay, let's see. So 94.5. Okay. Okay, so now price has made a new low, right? Okay, prior low. This was your next low right here. So, all right. So let's see what happens. Maybe to catch a trade off of here on the 4 range chart on a pullback. So we'll see. Um, price come back down here at 92. I might take an entry. So we'll see. I'll be trading in these off this little market swing area here. The price can come back to 92. 46.92 maybe. But we got a high volume area right below us at 90. So we gotta be careful with that. Oh, so what's price gonna do here? Mm. So price is in this area of demand. This is the area of demand, guys. I'll show it to you. Right up in here. Let me fix that a little bit. Oops. Ah, come on, grab it. Yeah, right here. So price is pulling back to this area of demand. All right. Da, da, da. I was expecting it to pull back, but this puppy ain't ready to pull back yet, right? Let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait. It ain't pull back. Yeah, I'm expecting it to pull back this area here. I'll play off of this right here when it pulls back. Let's see what happens. If it comes back down and rejects back down this area here, 94.25. Hmm, I don't know. It broke higher right here at 94.5. Pull back right here. Uh-oh. Let's see. Hmm. This may have been the pullback right here. Little swing. Oh, buddy. Oh, boy. Let's see. 99.25. Okay. That's a V-shaped reversal right there. V-shaped reversal prices, yeah. I want to see it pull back, guys. That's what I'm betting on. Hmm. Hmm. Man. All right, I'm gonna pause the video here, guys, and wait for something to happen. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see. Um, I was looking for price to come a little lower here, but it's made a lower low here. It's made a new low here, so let's see. Prices bouncing off this area here. Yeah, quite weird. Yeah, trying to test. Okay. I'll look for it. I'm looking for it to come a little lower though. Looking for it to come lower. Hmm. Down here at around 46.92. If I can get some rejection in this area down here, price break above higher, I'll go long. Some rejection in this area right here. Man, what is this? I'm not sure why it's not. Hmm. Okay, I'm still waiting for price to 97. Waiting for price to kind of show its hand to me. It's moving sideways. We got a wedge going on. Like I said, we have a major wedge, and then we got a smaller wedge. We got a wedge going on here. So um, yeah, yep. Hmm. Metal low here. Hmm. Yeah, ES is chopping around right now. It's a very thick market, guys. So lots of volume is always traded here, and it kind of you know moves sideways, and it has a tendency to stop people out because it moves sideways, and it's a thick market, and a lot of people have a hard time reading what's going on. So let's see. Man, this market is really chopping sideways. Yep, yep. Struggling, struggling, struggling. Hmm, really chopping sideways. All right, let's see. Okay, so prices pull back into this area right here. Um, so I'm just waiting to see what's going to take place here. Yeah, you see price chopping because I mean it's going to be difficult to trade in because we've got levels above us. Areas where resistance is at. Hmm, yeah, prices. You see what's going on here. You can see what's going on here, right? But it's going to be difficult here because we have You know, we have area. You can see this area of resistance in here on the 4 range. You can see it here on the 12 range as well. We have this little swing to the downside right here. So that's an area of resistance. Ooh, makes it difficult to trade. Hmm. Yep. Makes it difficult. Makes it difficult. Okay, so price came down um, to that 92 area. I was just mentioning 46.92 is rejecting that area. So price can break here to the upside. I'm probably going to take a long entry. I'm not sure though. Let's see what happens here. Um, so let's see. All right, guys, I'm long. I'm going to take price back up to the highs up here, pretty much at 99 and a half. So I'm going to take a contract out at here and then here. 99 and a half. Okay. Back up to the highs pretty much. Okay. This is rejection. This is rejection from the bottoms down here. So this area here is an area of demand here. Okay. Price pushed up. Okay. And when it pulled back, you know, you look for that area on the pullback. Okay. At the pullback. So what we have here is kind of, you know, it's rejection from, you know, this area of demand right here. So when price pulled back to this demand level, it rejected. You saw it right here on the 4 range. You see it here on the 12 range. Price pushes up. And then on the pullback to the area where price rejected at is where I'm going to take my entry at. But I have to see further rejection. Okay. So, all right. Let's see what happens here. Back up to the highs, guys, up here around 4,700 pretty much. And price can pull back. Okay, it definitely can pull back before going higher. And the price can pull back all the way back down here to 92. Let me double check. Actually not. I could probably it's let's see. Boom. Yeah, somewhere around 92 area, 93, 92 area. Back down to this high volume area right here, maybe a little bit below it. So, but I'm looking for the follow through to the upside now. Okay. Price is rejecting this area of demand. Came down once, pushed up, okay, and then pulled back to this area of demand again for a second test there, pretty much. So I'm looking for it to come up and test that area, and it may take it out, okay. I'll tell you what I do. My first contract at 98.5. Okay. I'll bring it down here to, let's see. Got a little volume area there. 97. I'll bring the first contract right here because we have a little volume area here. It's 97.5. Good bounce there. So I'll bring my first contract right here. Second one, I'll let it run. So let's let this trade play out. Okay. Yeah. I'm just looking at some past historical stuff. Okay. See where we're at here. Whoops. All right. Hopefully we get filled here. Okay, so we're bouncing out this area here. Okay. Yeah. Let me do this. I'm noticing something now. Uh, Come back up. Come on. Oh, 6.25. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Trying to see something here. 97.25. I'm gonna play this trade safe here. Not sure. Not sure price will come back all the way back up here and test the highs right here. So let me play this safe here. Yeah, let's just do this. Price is at the okay. Just took us. Okay, just filled this. Okay, guys. So the market is trying to push lower. It appeared we're kind of stair stepping. We're in a wedge, and the market is pulled back, pretty much on a pullback here to the tops up here earlier today, and then it looks like it's trying to push lower. So it may try to come back down here and test this area here again, which is the lows of this leg right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out, guys. Appreciate everyone who's been following the channel, watching the videos, and liking the videos as well. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. You know, I hope you guys have found the information valuable, and I'll continue posting content like this because I'm hoping that it's helping other individuals in their trading. So, and my style of trading may not mirror or be your style of trading, but to me, there's only one way of truly trading, and that is trading pure price action and understanding the market. You know, being able to read the market. That's market analysis, And to me, that's the only way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and close the video out here, guys. Take care. Have a good one if you're trading. Stay safe in the market. And I'll see you guys in the next video.